Okay, this is an instructional video for how to do the oral practice using kaizena instead of by making a file like we did before. So it's going to start off by opening up Google Classroom, pulling up the assignment that I have you working on. In this case, the example I'm using is Spanish 3 oral practice for Unit 1. Once you have the Google Doc opened, the first thing you'll need to do is make your own copy of it. And please name it with your last name and then your first name, and then you can keep the rest of the title there. Now it's important that you know where you're putting this because you'll have to find it when you go to kaizena. So just know what folder that you put it in, and great, now you have your own copy of it. So once you have your own copy that you can edit, go ahead and start answering the questions. So you might say in Spanish, esta es mi respuesta, which means this is my answer. So you're just going to type those with the right number of sentences, do it for each question, with the right number of sentences for each question. One thing to notice at this point is that once you upload this document to kaizena, you will no longer be able to edit this text anymore. It just saves it as a PDF there. So make sure you answer it how you want. Go ahead and answer, practice, edit, etc. in Google Docs. Once you've answered all of it, then you can come over to kaizena and upload it. So let's talk about how to do that. So you'll open up kaizena.com and you'll find whatever classroom you're in. In this case, I'm going to open up Spanish 3. Now you're going to come over to conversations and you're going to look for the conversation with just me. Okay, since I am myself, it doesn't have me having a conversation with myself. So you'll find Belch M or Mr. Belch or however it comes up. In this case, because I can't have a conversation with myself, I'll just put it in everyone. But you will find the conversation that you have with me. Okay, so once you have that conversation highlighted, you'll come down here and you'll add a file. And you'll do it from Google Drive. The search function, for whatever reason, is not very good in kaizena. I just go to wherever I put it. So Spanish, Spanish 3, and then we have the file that I made. Okay, so I select it. We are going to upload it. Kaizena is pretty good at holding the audio, but it can take a while to upload things. So just give it its time, and once it's uploaded, it'll be over here on the right side, kind of as a PDF. Now, what you'll do is for each answer or set of answers that you have here. So for instance, number 1, you will just, oh, my bad, come down here to the voice comment, okay? And you're just going to highlight the text that you're wanting to record. And as soon as you click voice comment, you'll see it already actually started on me. If you don't like that fact, you can push stop. You can listen to it. Comment, okay? And you're just going to highlight the text. You'll hear that I kind of made a mistake there because I was still talking. So you might want to delete it or redo it. So then you come down to the next one, and if you had answers down here, you would just highlight them, and you can, as soon as you click here, it will start recording your next one. Okay. There is a way to delete this. I'm not figuring it out right now, but I'm sure you can figure it out. Okay, so you do that for all of the answers for the particular one. You don't need to do the next lesson yet, just do the one lesson that you're working on. Read them out loud. If you like how they are, then you can leave it. It's fine. I'll see it. It's done. If not, you can edit them or delete them and redo them until it is where you like it. Don't forget that later on, after this is due, we'll have a time where I will ask you some of these questions out loud without you being able to look at it, and you'll just have to answer the questions back to me, and that will be for a separate grade. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.